In this video, I'll show you how to create an animated quiz with a progress bar using Canva. It's super easy, so be sure to follow along step by step to avoid missing anything.
Okay, so that was a AI voice. If you like to know that how I generate that type of voice, I'll let you know in some other video. Okay, at first you need to come over Canva and select a video blank template, and then if you want you can change the video background color like you want, and then you need to get a shape from the elements tab. After you get a square type of shape, you need to resize it and duplicate it. So after you duplicate, you need to give a border width. Okay, so as you can see, I am giving here the border width 12 and the border color here, I keep it white. Okay, as my background is black, so the white will be better. Now, later, we will add here our character for the quiz. So here I'm adding animated fish. So you can just search in Canva that animated only fish and select the animated. So it will show you characters like this. Although you can get animated characters from Lotify as well. Now you need to add your questions from the quiz. So you get questions or like this quiz from ChatGPT prompt. I will share the prompt in video description what you can use to get a lot of questions like this from GPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek. Now here my question is, which one of this animal live in the water? Okay, after I said this question, I need to give it a animation. So I'll select this text and give a animation here, and also I duplicate the text here and give the name of those characters here, and after that I will give here also the animated fill. So just select the text and click on animated or animation, and you can see, so the animation will look like this. We can move over to our next step, which is duplicate the entire scene here. Okay, so our first scene is ready. Now select the scene and we can duplicate it here. Okay, now the next point is we will add our progress bar here. We will again go to the shape. We'll again go to the elements tab and search for a shape and get a shape like this. And for the corner, we can go with like this, and the border width 12 or 13. It's up to you. And the border color, again, we can keep it into white as well. Now we will search for video background. So for this, here I am searching a blue sky video background. So you can see my prompt here, what I am using for this. Now select the video here. You can select any of this video. Anyway, so here I forget to mention that I'm here using the premium version of Canva. If you also want to get a premium version of Canva, you can purchase from here or you can get it free from my website. I will give the link in first comment or video descriptions to get it. After we select our video, we need to resize it according to the bar we create, according to the shape we created earlier. So we resize it, and then here we'll give the corner effect. Okay, so you can see that we managed to create the corner similarly like that shape here. Okay, now it's time to give the border here for that video. So again, we select the video and we will create border and give it a white border. Okay, fine. Now what we will do, we will copy this entire scene again. Okay. Okay, now you can see that it's looking very nice when we play this video in progress bar. Anyway, now we will short that scene. You can see I just drag that scene and short it. After that, I duplicate it, and again here, what I will do, resize that video bar here. Okay, now you can see behind the background, it's showing our red progress bar, and the loading bar here, the video showing a little bit short. Now here we will add a character that looks much more um, effective. So you can add here any character, moving character, or simply you can add here any image. So for this video, I'll use here animated bee character. So I just search in Canva bee, and it's like this. Then again, we will copy the entire scene here, and duplicate the entire scene and do the same thing here. Short the video bar, video progress bar, and in the middle of the video countdown, we will change the video here. As you can see, it's sky, so we can change it to another. Suppose we can add a green field or green ground background. Okay, so we just search with green background in events, and we can add videos or any image as well. So it's pretty good. Again, we will resize it and add it to the bar, and remove that. We can remove that previous sky video. Okay, and later we will resize it like we did before. It's actually easy, just you need to follow the steps. Okay, so we are in the middle way of this video. Now again we short that video and copy the entire scene, and for the last part we will add another video. So from green to red we can make it like this. So again we will get a red background for this progress bar. Okay, hope you understand how I'm showing you this. I keep it very slow so you understand every step here. Now I'll search with the red background here, you can see, and put it instead of that green background here. You may feel the video get a bit long, but I keep it in raw because I just want you let you know that you learn it step by step, everything, so you don't miss any crucial step that not needed. If you want, you can see it in 1.5x as well. Now our the video is ready, and later we need to add here another character. So as we finish the progress line bar, we can add here some other character. Suppose we can add here something like hooray or enjoy or win type of character that shows us that our viewers are able to answer correct in that this character look good. So we'll add this win character. Now remove that wrong image, and later we will add here animation. So how we can do this, just select the character and then click on animate, and now we can drag it to the middle of this video. We will also add animation to the text here. We will drag the name here, and also here we can give animation effect to the character Now, if we play it, we will see it looks much good here. Okay, so the correct character is popping out from the shape bar and telling us that our answer is right. Okay, so it's looking good. You can set animation what you like. Okay, it's not mandatory that you need to use my animation. Okay, now here is the most important part. You need to add audio effects. Okay, so as our video is a quiz video, we can add countdown music and also give a background music that attract your audience. So it's for kids, so we'll add educational music for kids that suits your video. So what music I use in my video, I will share. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video and make sure to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.